Hi there, this is Laura from Aura Studio Space, and this is a quick tutorial on the Bloom Salon template. Now, I have designed this template specifically for hair salons, barbershops, stylists, or any type of beauty specialist who wants to show their work, but also take bookings all in one platform. You get all of that with this template. And before I get into the editor and show you how easy it is to customize everything, I want to quickly go through all the pages so you can have an idea of everything that is included. First page is your homepage. Here is where you can show the vibe of your studio. You can post your most popular services, show your best work, and add your studio location and your work hours. The second page is your About Us page, and here's where you can share your story, your team, and photos of your studio. Also, there is a dedicated page to expand on the expertise of each member on the team and also their pricing. And that is the third page on your template. And you can duplicate this page as many times as you want for each of the members on the team and add their details and their pricing. There is more information on how to do this in the user's manual for this template. The fourth page is the service page, and here is where you can add all the details for your services and divide them by categories, and you can add as many as you want. The fifth page is the gallery page, and this is a portfolio where you can add all of your best work. And it's also divided by categories that you can edit or add more if you want. Page 6 is your contact page, and here is where you are going to find the integrated Wix booking system. Now, there are preset services and categories on here. You can edit all of this. You can add more services, remove services. You can add descriptions to your services, how long they last, how much they cost, all of it. And there's more information on how to edit this in your user's manual. Now, down here, you can add your address, contact information, operating hours, and your location. And on here, you have a place to answer frequently asked questions. Page 7 is an error page that people are going to see if they accidentally click a link that is no longer available in your website. And that way you can keep visitors inside of your website. And the last page is your social links page. And this is one of my favorite pages because it helps you not have to pay for Linktree or any link in bio subscription. And you can redirect people from social media to your services or your website using this page. And you can keep all of the traffic from social media inside of your branded website. And now we're here on the Wix Editor, and I'm going to use the home page to show you how easy it is to customize everything. But first, I want to mention that you can find all of your pages here on the side. And if you go down here to manage pages, you'll find all the pages from the template. And if you click here, you can change the name of the page. You can move the pages and now also change the order that they have on the side menu. You can also hide a page, like in the case of the 404 page that is typically hidden from menus. And you can also add a page if that is something that you want to do. And if you go here, you'll find all the elements that you can add to your website. So if you find that you need more text, more images, more buttons, just come here, click on it, and it will appear on your website. All right, let's get into it. First thing is text. So if you want to edit text, just click on it, come here to edit text, and you can change the fonts, you can change the size, the color, and if you click on here, you can actually write your own text. Now, this background video, if you want to change it, just click on it and change background, and you can upload your own videos and images. Down here, if you want to change any of these images, just click on it, change image, and upload your own image. Over here, if you want to change these images, just click on here, change background, and upload your own image. You can also change the description. And over here on these buttons, if you want to change the link where they go, just click here and you can link them to whatever page you want on your page, or you can use any of these options. Down here, you have a gallery, and just to add your photos, just click on it, click on Manage Media, and you can upload as many photos as you want. And down here, you can edit your work hours, your address, and over here, you can add the name of your studio or your logo. Now, something very important that I want to mention is these dotted lines on the sides. These are very important because if you place any elements outside of these lines, it might not be visible on smaller screens like tablets. So what I recommend is placing everything that is important inside of these lines so you can guarantee that it will be visible for the majority of your visitors. A little trick that I want to share with you about editing, if you are not sure how things are going to look, or if you are a little afraid of messing things up, what you can actually do is duplicate a section. So right click, duplicate, and you can edit this version and compare it to the main version. So you have like a safe way of moving things around if you are not sure how things are going to look. And this is like a bulletproof way of editing your site. Okay, let's delete this now. And something that is very important as well is your mobile view. So right here, this is how your site looks on phones. So it's very important that whatever changes that you do on your main site on here, you come here and check how it looks, because it doesn't always look the same as it looks on the main site and things get moved around. So I recommend that if you add anything to your main site, please come here and check that it looks good. And if you need to move things around, do that. Now, another thing is that you can actually add elements to the mobile version right here, like text, and it won't affect your main site. So whatever thing that you add here won't appear on your main site. And also you can hide elements on your mobile view on here, and it won't affect your main site. And those are the basics on how to edit your template. There's more in-depth information on how to fully customize your website on your user's manual. And if you have any more questions, please feel free to reach out. I'm here to help you. I had a lot of fun creating this template, so I hope you like it. And thanks for watching this tutorial.